This is an Asus Zenbook. It's an i5 processor. It's got 240 gig of solid state drive with a clean install of Windows 10, fully updated and authenticated onto Microsoft servers. It's got 10 gig of RAM. It's also got some special tweaks in it. It's more detail actually down in the description if you want to actually review it. But basically it allows it to do this. As you can see at the moment, the CPU is hardly doing anything and the disk isn't caching. If you were to buy a new PC straight from, let's say, PC World, you'd probably find that this disk is caching at probably above 85, 90%, sometimes 100, which is why these modern machines tend to be very laggy. Well, because of the tweaks, I've managed to dial out most of these services that are required, connecting with Microsoft in the background, etc., etc. And what it's done is created a very, very fast machine. You can see it boots up in pretty much no time at all, just in a matter of sort of 30 seconds from sort of cold boot to actually being usable. And at the end of the day, hardware like this, it's a great sort of platform to, there you go, it's up as quick as that. It's a great platform to actually develop these kinds of services. So if you look at the task manager again here, you'll see the CPU drops right down, the hard disk isn't caching, and the memory's hardly been utilized. What this means is then the machines, all the overhead in the machine can be used for real work rather than actually satisfying Microsoft. Anyway, hope you like it, and please feel free to bid. It comes with an OEM charger. I probably haven't shown this on the video. Battery lasts about 2 hours. Hopefully that's good. Anyway, speak to you soon at some point. If you've got any questions, please let me know.